Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, Gen X Jake. For today's video, we are going to do an unboxing and review of the latest product from MOCREO, the MOCREO LS3 Thermohygrometer long-range sensor. But before we proceed, disclaimer, even if MOCREO has sent me this to be reviewed, I will be 100% honest to whatever I see, the good and the bad of it. Also, I would like to give thanks to MOCREO for sending us this product to be reviewed. Without any further ado, let's start the unboxing and review of the MOCREO LS3 Thermohygrometer sensor. Here's the box of the LS3 LoRa temperature and humidity sensor, showing the front, and now the back. I'll grab a cutter and carefully open it up. Let's see what's inside. Alright, opening the box. And let's take the contents out one by one. Everything's now laid out neatly on the table. First, we have one user manual. Next, one LS3 sensor. And finally, one mounting Velcro strip. Let's look at the user manual first. Inside, you'll find all the necessary information and setup steps. Just follow along and you'll be ready to go in no time. Now, here's the mounting Velcro. Turning it around, you'll notice the sticky side at the back. This allows you to place the LS3 securely wherever you need it. There's also a matching Velcro piece already attached on the back of the LS3 sensor itself. Here's the LS3 sensor. It uses wireless LoRa connection. It has a communication range of up to 1,640 feet or 500 meters in open space. The base design is similar to the previous LS2 model. You'll also notice this plastic loop, which can be used to hang the sensor temporarily. The LS3 weighs just 3.4 ounces. And its dimensions are 4.17 by 2.2 by 0.83 inches. Power it on, simply pull out the battery's protective tab. It operates within a temperature range of 32 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature accuracy is around plus minus 0.54 degrees Fahrenheit. For humidity, it works between 0 and 80% non-condensing, with an accuracy of about plus minus 3% relative humidity. The LS3 runs on 3 replaceable AAA batteries. At the back, there are 4 screws sealing the battery compartment, helping to protect the battery and giving the sensor some water resistance. Now, let's move on to the application and setup process. First, open the MOCREO app on your phone. Tap the plus sign, then look for the LS3 sensor in the list. Once selected, just follow the instructions. They're very straightforward. When you see the Bluetooth logo, wait for the app to search and connect to the LS3. After that, it will automatically link with your H5 Pro Hub. Then you can assign the sensor to a location and give it a custom name. I've assigned it as a mini weather station. Let's open the application and check the LS3 settings. The sensor can send out alarm alerts. You can set upper and lower thresholds for both temperature and humidity. Under the settings, you'll also find options for firmware updates, changing the temperature unit, and more. The app provides detailed graphs including temperature, humidity, dew point, and VPD. Here's the menu showing all the sensors. This is the H5 Pro Hub, which the LS3 connects to. From here, you can view its temperature and humidity graphs, as well as adjust the LS3 settings. Now, Here's where I deployed the LS3 thermohygrometer on the veranda of our house. It actually replaced my older LS2, which only measures the temperature. Now, the LS3 will be serving as a reliable mini weather station. What's the pros of the LS3? First, added humidity sensor. Number 2, long-range wireless capability. Number 3, rugged design. Number 4, long battery life. Number 5, seamless integration with both the application and the H5 Pro hub. And let's proceed to the cons. On the downside, the LS3 currently has no integration with the popular smart home platforms like Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, or Home Assistant. And that's the MOCREO LS3 LoRa temperature hygrometer. Overall, it's a solid upgrade from the LS2, especially with the added humidity sensor and stronger range. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and long-lasting sensor for temperature and humidity monitoring, this might be the one for you. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. And I think that is it. See you in the next one. Bye. Peace.